Increasingly, it is believed that COVID-19 is airborne. A lack of ventilation and air purification in a confined space is cited as a major reason for contagiousness of the virus. All these factors also double up to cars. We are always in a confined space, and with pollution in India, the windows are always rolled up. In summer seasons like now, the AC is also often on. It is a gnarly situation. This video is all about solutions, aftermarket air purification solutions that don't burn a hole in your pocket, especially during a pandemic, and while doing so, make travel a little safer in the post-COVID world. Honeywell has numerous air purification products for your household, but now it also offers its technology in a miniature form for the car. The Move Pure 2 car air purifier has a HEPA filter, which is critical for removing PM 2.5 dust particles and particulate matter. It also gets a double-layered carbon filter that removes things like odor, smoke, and pollutants, including particles as small as the virus. It also has a long filter life of 360 hours, which is about 2 weeks, which can be changed after use. Sharp's IGDC2 e-car air purifier has a sleek design that allows it to fit exactly in your car's cup holder. It leverages the plasma cluster technology Sharp uses in its home air purifiers. It can also weed out bad smells from the car, keeping things fresh. It also gets a turbo airflow mode, which is 30% faster for cleansing the air in the car. The Nebler car air purifier has been designed to fit snugly into the cup holder of modern cars. It produces 10 million negative ions per cubic centimeter, and it claims that it can kill 99.5% of all the bacteria and viruses while removing dust particles, PM 2.5 particles, PM 10 and more. Unlike other air purifiers, it doesn't use a filter, but instead uses electrostatic purification. It is also very well made thanks to its aluminium exterior. With its PM 2.5 filter and an activated charcoal filter, Blue Air Cabin P2i stands apart from all the air purifiers that are available on this list. Again, this allows the system to remove PM 2.5 particles, particulate matter, which could include things like the virus and nasty odors. Since the design does not allow it to be placed inside a cup holder, it instead gets mounted using a strap, allowing it to be put on top of either the headrest or armrest of the vehicle. The Philips GoPure is the most compact air purification solution on this list. Coming from the iconic Dutch company, the GoPure has an advanced 3-stage filtration mechanism. The large particles are restricted in the pre-filter. The PM 2.5 particulate matter and the other nasty stuff like pollen, harmful gases, bacteria, and small viruses are caught up in the HEPA filter. There is a dedicated third filter for removing unpleasant odor from stale food and even cigarette smoke. Philips, of course, is known for its air purifiers, and it believes it can clean up the car in just 15 minutes. The beauty of the system is that it will automatically engage the moment the ignition is on, which means it is well integrated on a system level. One of the first portable air purifiers in India, the Atom by Current Systems, is not specifically made for cars, but it boasts of a highly effective system. It combines a personal mask plus a tiny air purification module which combines a HEPA filter and a pre-filter that eradicates PM 2.5 particles, odors and other small allergens. It can also be tied up with a mask using a small pipe, which makes for a cleaner breathing experience and also can redouble as a personal air purifier.